So we just got to Manila, and this is what the airport looks like here, guys. So as you can see, it's very busy, and we're gonna check out the lounge and see what's in there. Hi, we just made it to the Mabuhay Lounge, and we're gonna check it out and see. Oops, can't see me. What's in here? So follow me. So this is in the Philippines, and I think I'll stop filming this. So you guys are on the plane. I don't know if you can even hear me right now, but I'm having champagne and Coke and Jack watching a movie. And there's plenty of buttons that you can press for your seat. And Patty's having the same thing. And here she is.
Hi everyone! Cheers! Almost to Bangkok. Can't wait.
And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I'll show you what the food looks like in just a second. Alright, so we're still on the flight, and I got garlic bread and something else she said. I forgot what the name of it. Oh, focaccia. And then this one is a quinoa, let me see if I can zoom in. A quinoa salad. And then the other one is shrimp. And of course I have my champagne. Got my movie going. And we should be arriving in Phuket, Bangkok in about 2 hours. You guys, so we're still on the plane, and I ordered the sausage, and it has like a yogurt cream sauce. Patty ordered the fish, and it looks really good. It's like a fish with rice. So we are going to eat, chow down, and enjoy the other 1.5 hours of our flight. Still watching this movie, but not really watching because we're kind of talking. So I will see you guys soon, and thanks for watching. To do a room tour, so I'm going to show you what it looks like here. Okay, so you walk in, and this is the view. Bathroom has a deep soaking tub. There I am. Shower with a bench. Toilet. Sprayer thing for your butt, and it's all see-through. Okay, we have our coffee maker, or coffee, water. She's hella excited.
Let me show your room, okay?
Bed.
I miss you. Okay, look at the view. Wow.
And I want to show you guys the best part, which is the view.
Yeah, I know, right?
Remember we stayed by near some river or something?
Yeah. Jared's vlogging.
Yeah, that's hella nice. Hi, Jared.
Hi, Liz. I'm vlogging.
Okay, look at our
This is the view, you guys. So check. She said no roaches. Hell to the no. This ain't no broke down palace. This that good.
sister.
Look at that view though of Bangkok.
Love you too.
It's just like,
Okay, we will. Love you. Thanks. Call anytime. Text me. And I took out the SIM card, so it should be good. Love you.
the entire city
Bye.
of Bangkok.
Okay, we'll check it. Love you, Mom. Bye. Bye, Toy. Bye, Ali.
Alright, so that's pretty much the room, and I will see y'all a little bit later. Bye. this thing here, and I'm like wondering what it's for. I'll show you guys. Isn't this thing supposed to be for like you to hit it? So I'm gonna try it. Alright. God, I hope this isn't gonna do anything bad. Oh shit, that's hella loud. Eek. Alright, sorry neighbor.